Oh, so we didn't get enough last night. So I'm back here again this morning, and snuck home last night around 2, took a little nap, guy upstairs banging around, so I didn't get much sleep. Anyway.
I hear you. You're angry and resentful. But what you need to understand is that resentment is the mortar that holds the bricks of loneliness together in a wall of alienation and despair.
Just took a shower, changed clothes, back in the truck. So we'll see how everything looks this morning and see what we got to do, if anything. I'm hoping nothing, but we will see. Let's keep it short and sweet, hopefully. So far, not too bad. Everything looks pretty much the same as when I left, which is good. Got my pass here going around back. Check the mechanic's bay because that always gets bad.
Don't get the Hulk angry. You won't like him when he's angry.
Just cleaned up a little bit out front where the plow had come through and done the roadway. So that needed to be cleaned up. And we'll just have a peek in here. But if what I see initially here is any indication, we should be okay.
Nice.
That looks good. That looks good. This area down here is really the area that gives me problems. It always blows off the roof in this location. And honestly, that does not look bad. That looks good. Could probably use a bit more salt. I'll text Ethan. He's going to be in doing the salt this morning. Looks like the shovelers were here and did their thing, I would say.
Nice work, everyone.
Yeah, not bad. Could use a bit more salt, but like I say, other than that, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Now let's go up here and check on Cisco. Again, not bad. Looks pretty good. I'm actually impressed it held off last night. I was really worried that it was not going to hold off. So that is a pleasant surprise this morning, I won't lie.
Yes! That's awesome!
One thing I do know, probably that should get done out here. Yeah, that pile's pretty big. I may have to jump in the loader and remove this pile. So this pile is supposed to be past this fence line. Oh, and it is not. Does look like somebody was here at some point last night, because there is some cleanup done. Maybe Garfield did swing out this way last night. Or it could have been Ethan, I guess, this morning. I should text Ethan and see what's up. See if he's out and about. I'll go fire that loader up and give him a call.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, and it's makes me feel like I can't breathe. You got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe.
All right, that is fired up and warming up. Gonna let the loader warm up a little bit, and then we'll take a spin up above, move that pile. I was just talking to Ethan, and he's gonna run a little bit more salt out here for me. Yay! Once I do that, I just cleaned up these bays here at Coke a little bit better. And yeah, then that's it, I hope. We'll see. Okay. Let's go plow some snow, I guess.
Are you gonna be okay?
Can't forget my coffee. All right. Get these piles moved and hopefully get out of here. Up here, move some of these piles, and go from there, I guess. This customer actually doesn't like when I pile too much snow down here because it makes it hard for them to see up the road when they're going to get out. So I do like to normally take some of this and pile it up somewhere else. Even further down here is fine. Not right in their direct line of sight, they don't mind. So even if I could just shove this back a bit, I think I will. What's going on with this thing? This little bit here cleaned up and push back, and then we'll go up to Cisco. So like I said, Ethan's gonna come out, give me a hand out here with a little bit of salt. Garfield and Lauren apparently were, oh, there's the curb. They just texted me around 7-ish, 6:45. They were out all night. They got the stuff in Sackville and Bedford all cleaned up, so that's done. I appreciate that. Neither one of them wanted to have to be in today or this morning, so especially Garfield, he's got a long drive. worst part is right now is where there's no frost in the ground. It's really hard to feel the sod and the ground. That should be good enough. I can get the rest of that with the truck, tidy that up after. Go up the road here. We're up the road here at Cisco now. So get this pile moved out of our way. Hopefully. This is where their parking lot drains to, so. This isn't clear. The whole parking lot just kind of fills up. The thing I got to be careful about here is that's about a 50-foot drop on the other side of this gate, which makes it ideal to put the snow because it just kind of goes away, but not so ideal if you push too far. See, that pile just disappears now, but I gotta make sure I don't go with it. Nope, that was a little too far.
Look me, that was fast.
Alright, see if we can clean this edge up. Put the rest of this out there. The only downfall to places like this for contracts, they have so many trucks and trailers and everything in the yard is constantly moving and shifting and
Parked in the middle of this.
changing everything up.
And this is no in front of it. If I drive a shunt truck, I'll probably just spin out.
Yeah, there's
Can you
always
just
something
clean
in the way.
front of the trailer?
My God, my
I
coffee
can
is
show you where it is. Just
destroyed.
use your thing and just clean it off the front and then it's
Four
actually fine.
loader. Yeah.
Stop!
Mr. Plow!
Get out, you lousy season! Alright, I'm going.
And he's worried he's gonna get stuck.
So remember, call Mr. Plow. That's my name. That name again is Mr. Plow.
So we will go get him on cleaned up a little bit so he doesn't get stuck, I guess. I should have flipped the tab down. Anyway, whatever. Cold, messy coffee is still better than no coffee at all, so.
Right.
See that water now going? That's how this whole lot drains. So when that doesn't get pushed out right, everything ices up pretty bad right here. Anyway, we will get it.
You can do it!
Like I said, the guys all worked hard last night. I appreciate it.
Good job.
Sucked. It was a very long storm. I come in around, well, I'd come in a little bit early because I wanted to get a couple quotes sent off before the snow started. So I was in around 5:45, getting my plow on, getting ready, and drinking coffee and crunching numbers. But then we didn't actually go plow until probably closer to 9:30, 10 o'clock. It had started snowing before that, but it really didn't add up much until that point. So then we were out from then until, well, 2 o'clock last night. I went home, didn't eat or nothing, just got undressed, went to bed, and then 5 o'clock or 5:30 this morning, the guy upstairs started banging around, woke me up. So I said, screw it. I ain't gonna get no more sleep. Got up, had a smoke, drank a couple coffees at home to try to get myself functioning again. Jumped in the shower, threw some clothes on, and out I came. And now I'm cleaning this up, and hopefully this, like I said, hopefully this won't be too much longer. Garfield and them say that they got all that other stuff done, so I shouldn't even have to go out that way, but I might take a spin out nonetheless just to triple check and to drop my plow blade off so I don't gotta carry that thing around with me for the next little bit. I will clean this spot up while I'm here. Doesn't make much sense to leave it if I'm right here. I honestly don't know if any of this will even be left come Monday. Like I said, Monday we're calling for, I think it said 35 to 40 mils of rain now on Monday from when I checked it this morning, but that could just be my tired eyes reading that. I don't know. I'd have to double check it again now that I have a few coffees into me. nuts otherwise. A little windrow. Probably won't get it all, no I won't, but I'll get most of it. Like I said, I got Ethan coming back up to sprinkle a little salt up here before he heads out. I'll go up and check this other gate. Backing up. Oh, he's parking. Alright. Make sure there's nothing to push back up here. There's the drop I'm talking about. You definitely don't want to go down over the side of this, I can tell you that. You won't come back.
You're goddamn right.
It'll be a long old fall. Anyway. I'll go move a little bit of this pile because yet again they've blocked this area off like I asked them not to. So that's it for the loader work, I think. I hope. Yeah, we'll just take a spin around some other stuff now. Alright, back in the truck and away we go. I just topped up the washer fluid because, you know, you never have enough of that when it's snowing. Yeah. On to the next one. Let's see how these other sites look. So all good in the hood. Everything looks good. I am going to go home and try to relax now and see what the rest of my Saturday will bring. Anyway, so that concludes another winter storm, the biggest storm of 2023, because we've only had 3. But definitely the biggest storm we've had this year and last year, 2022. I don't think we had anything quite this big even the last part of last year. So the guys did good. It was rough, it was long, and tiring. So stay safe, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. I'm going to try to enjoy the rest of mine, what's left of it. And we'll see you guys in the next video.